Results Matter by Brokr Agency, where we dive deep into the world of branding, marketing, and business growth. In today's episode, we're talking all about building a powerful brand strategy from scratch. Whether you're an entrepreneur just starting out or a marketer looking to refine your existing brand, this episode is for you. A strong brand strategy is essential to stand out in today's competitive world. But how exactly do you create one from the ground up? How do you make sure your brand resonates with your target audience and leaves a lasting impression? We'll answer all these questions and more. Are you ready? Let's get started. What is a brand strategy? Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of creating a brand strategy, let's first define what a brand strategy is. A brand strategy is a plan that outlines how your business will communicate and position itself in the market. It covers your mission, values, and how you want your customers to perceive you. The goal? To make sure all your marketing efforts are aligned, helping you achieve a consistent message and brand recognition. You might be wondering, what's the difference between brand identity, brand positioning, and brand strategy? Here's a quick breakdown. Brand identity is how your brand looks and feels. Think logo, colors, and design. Brand positioning is about setting your brand apart from competitors and carving out your unique space in the market. Brand strategy is the big picture. It ties everything together and guides all your decisions to help your brand grow. In short, a strong brand strategy makes your messaging clear, consistent, and impactful. Key components of a brand strategy. Now that we have a better understanding of what a brand strategy is, let's talk about the key components of a successful brand strategy. These are the elements you need to develop to create a brand that resonates with your audience. Brand purpose and vision. Your brand purpose is the reason your brand exists. It's the deeper meaning behind your business that helps connect with customers on an emotional level. The brand vision is your long-term goal, where you want to go, and what you want to achieve in the future. Target audience and market research. Understanding your audience is crucial. You need to know who your customers are and what they need. This is where buyer personas come in. By defining your ideal customers, you can create messaging that speaks directly to them. Brand values and personality. Brand values are what your business stands for. These values guide your decisions and behaviors. Brand personality is how your brand communicates with your audience. Is your tone fun, professional, or casual? Your voice should reflect your values and connect with your audience on a personal level. Brand positioning. Brand positioning is how you differentiate yourself from competitors. You want to carve out your unique space in the market so your customers know exactly what makes you different. A strong positioning statement ensures people understand why they should choose your brand over others. Steps to develop a brand strategy. So, how do you develop a brand strategy? Here are the steps to take. Conduct a brand audit. Start by reviewing where your brand stands right now. A brand audit will help you understand your current position and performance. Tools like a SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats can help you get a clear picture of where you're at. Define your brand's purpose, vision, and values. Take the time to define your brand's purpose, vision, and values. Why does your business exist? Where do you want to go? Your values should align with what your audience cares about to create a meaningful connection. Develop a unique value proposition, UVP. Your UVP explains what makes your brand unique. What sets you apart from competitors? A strong UVP tells your audience why they should choose you. Craft your brand voice and messaging. Your brand voice is the tone you use in all your communications, whether it's professional, friendly, or fun. Make sure your messaging is consistent across all platforms to build trust and recognition. Create a brand identity. Now it's time to develop your visual identity, your logo, colors, and fonts. These elements should reflect your brand personality and appeal to your target audience. Implement and monitor your brand strategy. Once you've got your strategy in place, it's time to implement it across your business, from marketing materials to customer service. Be sure to monitor your brand's performance and make adjustments as needed. Common mistakes to avoid in brand strategy development. As you develop your brand strategy, keep an eye out for these common mistakes. Not understanding your audience. If you don't know your customers' needs, you can't create messaging that resonates with them. Inconsistent messaging. If your brand's message is unclear or changes too often, it can confuse your audience and damage trust. Failing to adapt. The market is always evolving. A brand strategy that worked yesterday might not work today. Be ready to adjust as your business grows and market trends shift. How to evolve your brand strategy over time. Remember, a brand strategy should never be set in stone. As your business evolves, so should your strategy. Keep track of key performance indicators like customer engagement, brand awareness, and sales. If something's not working, don't be afraid to make tweaks. Stay open to change and make sure your brand stays relevant by adapting to customer needs and market shifts. That's a wrap on today's episode. I hope you've gained some valuable insights into developing a powerful brand strategy from scratch. If you're ready to take your brand to the next level, don't forget to grab our free brand audit checklist and buyer persona template from the links in the show notes. Thanks for tuning in to Results Matter by Brokr Agency. Be sure to subscribe and share this episode with anyone who could use a little help with their brand strategy. Until next time, keep building your brand and connecting with your audience.